morning. Today is Friday the 7th, so Vlogmas day 7. I went to Chick-fil-A this morning. I don't drink coffee. I wish I did because I think I would get along with people in the world so much better, but I'm just not a coffee drinker. So I'm starting off with Chick-fil-A. I am going to figure out if I should pack some clothes or not. So weather tonight actually doesn't look too bad. However, Saturday night is looking pretty bad. So I may end up crashing with Tabitha. She already offered if I wanted to stay there tonight as well. I was like, then I wouldn't have to get up so early and get ready and go down. So I don't know if that means, if that happens, that means I won't be able to upload the vlog until Sunday. And then it would probably just be a really long vlog, which may not be bad. Or I would still split it and just do it in 2 different ones. I don't know if I'm gonna take her up on that offer yet, just because it's like not supposed to be bad today, but then the time in the morning would be better for tomorrow. And then the, it would be more so Saturday night, because Saturday night's when the weather's coming in. So I may just pack as if I'm going to stay, and then if I don't end up staying, it's no big deal. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna eat Chick-fil-A, go get ready for the day, and that kind of rhymed. And then I'm driving to Winter Plannerland. Can you believe it? Oh my God, I'm already so awkward. Oh my God, so I'm talking to Tabitha and I was like, I wonder if we should film a get ready with me. And she's like, oh my God, that'd be so fun. So I'm going to go to her hotel room early and we're gonna do a get ready with me, but that'll be like a separate video. I won't put it in here. Maybe I'll put like a piece in here. But I'm like really excited. That means I have to drag all my shit there, which is fine. So I'm going to call Lake Lanier Islands Hotel to see if I can book a room because it's looking pretty terrible. The weather, that's gonna be good. The weather for a Saturday night is even more terrible, but I figure if I got a hotel room for tonight and tomorrow, it wouldn't be bad because I have to be there for 7 something in the morning, so that would suck. Oh, it's sweet. Tabitha is offering that I could stay there because I just called. Obviously, you heard it. Because literally, there is nothing. They said they had one for tonight, but they don't have one tomorrow. I'm not necessarily worried about tonight. I don't really care. It's more so tomorrow night. So I'm saying, how much did you pay? So I can give her money because obviously she paid for the hotel and I obviously did not. So I'm gonna wait to see what she says. I guess I need to pack, like actually pack, because I'm probably gonna stay because I don't want to mess this up. Like I don't want to like, you know, die, because there's that. Okay, since I'm crashing Tabitha's party, that means I better get some stuff together to pack. So I don't know what I want to wear. I'm thinking just simple like tops, and then obviously something to go under it because, you know, but I'm also, I think, going to ignore. This is what happens in real life, okay? But I need to bring maybe an extra one, like worst case. I've been wearing this a lot, so I may bring that. I have no shame. I don't care if I wear the same thing over and over again. So maybe those 3. So like if I completely mess up or like, I don't know what happens, but your girl's bringing her sweatshirt because it's gonna be cold. Oh yeah, there you go. And if I get snowed in, poor Tabitha, she's gonna be like, I regret my decision. So yeah, I got to actually pack. I didn't even, like, I had to like think about this. Like, I wasn't planning on packing.
Corner of the room, not ready to receive.
not gonna lie, I forgot how much this is in the middle of nowhere. Cause like I come down not this far out to Lake Lanier, but like my parents live, like I live towards Atlanta, like I'm in Atlanta, and then my parents live north, and then this is like really north. I always forget like how far out there this is. We used to go to the Nights of Lights. It's been, ooh, 9 years since I've done it, so it's been a minute. Hi, how are you? Winter Planner Land? Thank you.